Hello everyone. Apple crumble muffin. Really tasty, moist inside, fluffy. Really nice combination. Together will make the most delicious apple crumble muffin. With coffee is fantastic. Let's start. 2 fresh apple, skinless, and then you can dice it. Cubes, small cubes. Then we prepare the ingredients. You will really surprise. Just 1 egg. 1 egg, pinch of salt. Together, this is very important. Eggs and salt in the beginning. Then we added oil, pinch of vanilla, very important to make it fluffy. Then we added the milk. I never added, when I make muffin, I never added sugar to the egg. All I do, all dry ingredients together. Baking powder, baking soda. Let's say together 120 ml fresh milk, 80 ml oil, 1 whole egg, vanilla, pinch of salt, 160 gram flour, 150 gram sugar, 8 gram baking powder, 2 gram baking soda. That's it. After that, 3 gram cinnamon, as you see. Mix all, fluffy, nice. And I leave it about half an hour just to infuse all the flavor. In meantime, I make the crumble. So easy crumble. 65 gram flour, 100 gram sugar brown sugar or muscovado. Even you can use normal flour. 60 gram butter. Is 3 ingredients together. The butter is room temperature. Just mix all ingredients by hand, feel it. And I will show you my favorite way to make crumble. Make sure you combine all ingredients. I make it as a dough. Then I keep it in the fridge about half an hour. In meanwhile, my apple muffin infused together. Here we go. I fill up. But here I make mistake. I fill up too much. I have to leave at least 1.5 centimeter. I grate all this, my technique to be all crumble is the same. I use the grater, the big size, then I grate all. Or you can use traditional crumble shank with your hand. So I do this, and last one I make it shank. Here, this is traditional way. Just by finger to make it shank. Cover all on top. And here the time to bake. Baking time 170 for 20 minutes. That's it. And you can see looks so tasty. And believe me, it tastes wonderful and very moist. Thanks for being my channel, Ahmed Younes.